Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Taco Bell app. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to change your address on the Taco Bell app, on the upper left-hand corner, go ahead and click on delivery. Then it's going to ask you to enter your delivery location. So this is where you can go ahead and enter your address in just a second. So with it, go ahead and type in the address that you want the delivery to be. And once you set that address, click on confirm. And there you have it. You've now gone ahead and changed your address on the Taco Bell app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.